OFW ka ba na kagaya ni Goddess? Goddess, nakakadalawa ka na. Ang swerte niya kasi nakikita ko yung comments kagad. But alam mo yung gusto mo nang makauwi pero may income pa rin. Ito ang sikreto kung paano makakapag-work from home gamit ang admin skills mo. Let's take for example, one of our admins, si Mars 10. Dati siyang OFW and tulad mo, ang experience niya noon mostly is administrative. Emails, reports, scheduling, at kung ano-ano pang office tasks. Pero, nag-decide siya na gusto na niya sana magstay sa bahay. Ang tanong niya, paano ba makakapagsimula kung wala ka namang experience as a virtual assistant or sa freelancing or pag-work from home? Good news, may sagot na tayo dyan. Ngayon, maraming OFWs ang gusto nang makauwi sa Pilipinas, gusto pa rin kumikita habang nasa bahay or nasa sariling bansa, magkaoras sa pamilya. Pero ang problema, wala raw silang alam sa freelancing, walang alam sa virtual assistant, takot magsimula. Hindi alam kung anong trabaho ang swak sa kanila. Kaya ito na, The Top VIP All Access Pass, ito yung training kung saan tuturuan ka step by step kung paanong magsimula na magkaroon ng legit na online career. Kahit ang experience mo ay administrative pa lang. Sobrang beginner-friendly and maraming relatable skills din naman as an admin na pwede mong gamitin sa freelancing. Halimbawa, email management, scheduling meetings, data entry or data management, file organization, Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, basic customer service. So pwede kang maging virtual assistant, customer support rep, admin support as a freelancer. And I really feel that joining the top VIP All Access Pass will help you because number one, hindi mo na kailangang mag-research mag-isa. May community ka. May live training and guides. And as long as pinapractice mo yung comprehension mo, yung talagang pag-unawa sa kung ano ba yung task on hand, madali siyang intindihin. Plus, sa top VIP, flexible siya kasi pwede kahit may full-time job ka pa dyan sa Dubai. Kung gusto mo nang matutong mag-work from home habang OFW ka pa or kung plano mo nang umuwi, grab your top VIP All Access Pass today. Madali lang to. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos, it will open the Gig Hub. Under Live Mentorship, i-click nyo lang 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass and it will open the form for you. Kung mapanood mo naman to sa ibang platform, i-check nyo lang ang comment section at dun ko ilalagay. Uuwi ka with confidence and hoping na may trabaho ka pa rin pero this time online. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!